Hey, we take a look back morning, and thank you for joining us. I'm Gary Libator. Also ahead, some good news for those of you who have to fill up the gas tank this morning. But first, rain is on the way for parts of our area. Let's kick things off with a check of the Storm Tracker 2 forecast. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joining us from the Weather Center with some rainy news for the rest of the day.
Yes, so we start out dry this morning. Compared to yesterday morning, it's pretty warm. I would say we're in the 30s for most of us. Rain looks to come in late morning and continue as scattered showers today. It's not going to be heavy, just scattered showers.
At least it's not snow yet, right?
Yes, it's not snow. We'll be pretty mild today. So let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. At this point, we are dry, but as you can see, a cold front is approaching us from the west. That is going to bring in scattered showers for us. Not looking like a lot of rain, and it does look like we are going to be seeing breaks in the rain throughout the day, periods of dry conditions, and we are going to be on the mild side. So right now, a lot of our temperatures are in the 30s. We have 33 degrees in Cooperstown, Whitesboro, 35 degrees in Westmoreland and Richfield Springs. But we start out dry. We will see rain starting around 9-10 a.m. Scattered showers will continue for today, tonight, and into tomorrow due to kind of a cold front that turns stationary that will be just sitting right next to us. So that is going to bring in unsettled weather for these next 2 days. And then after tomorrow, once it moves through, we will see dry conditions on Thursday, still seasonably warm weather for the rest of this week with highs in the 40s and even the low 50s. So for today, expect highs to be in the mid 40s. We will start out dry, then see some rain starting around 10 a.m. I will be talking a little bit more about this coming up, Gary.
Hannah, thank you. Let's get right to it now.
Welcome back. We are going to see scattered showers start to develop late morning, so around 10 a.m., and that looks to continue for the day, but we are going to be seeing breaks in the rain, so it's not going to be like an all-day thing. Scattered showers are expected today, and it does look to continue tomorrow as well before clearing out for Thursday. It is going to be a little bit cooler on Thursday, still seeing cloudy skies, and then a little bit cooler on Friday, but for Thursday and Friday, we do look to dry out after some rain for today and for tomorrow. So if you are going to be walking anywhere this morning, we are around freezing, so it may be icy in some spots, but for today overall we will reach the mid 40s for the high temperature, so way above freezing, and the ground may be just a little bit wet if you are driving, walking on the sidewalk or anywhere like that. So it is going to be above average in terms of temperatures for most of this week. Even looking ahead 6 to 10 days from now, it does look like our area is going to remain above normal in temperatures. So that looks to be high temperatures in the 40s and maybe even the 50s. Gary.
Thank you. Thousands of people are still in the
dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out dry with cloudy skies this morning, but rain looks to develop late morning. Let's take a look now at our CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. A lot warmer than yesterday. Most of our temperatures are around freezing and just above freezing this morning in the 30s, and we will continue to see mild weather for most of this week. So heading out the door this morning, I would definitely grab the umbrella and maybe the coat because we are seeing temperatures in the 30s, still a bit chilly, and the umbrella because we are going to start to see scattered showers come in late morning, and that will continue for the whole day and even into tomorrow. Right now, starting out in the 30s for most of us, 36 degrees in Inlet, 33 degrees in Utica and in Whitesboro. And looking to the south, we have 38 degrees in Cooperstown, 32 degrees in Skanevis. High temperatures today look to reach the mid 40s, which is above average for this time of year. Our average high is just in the upper 30s for this time of year. So seasonably warm weather looks to continue for most of this week, even tomorrow reaching the low 50s. Remaining in the mid 40s on Thursday, and then for Friday and the weekend, it does look like we drop to see temperatures right around average once again. So we are dry at this point on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, but there is a cold front that will kind of sit over us for the next few days, along with this low pressure system, and that is what looks to bring in scattered showers starting late morning today, looks to continue through tonight, and even a little bit into tomorrow. So these next 2 days are going to be a bit gloomy today, tomorrow, with scattered showers, cloudy skies, a little bit of a breeze, but then after tomorrow, this finally moves through. Our temperature drops a little bit more for Thursday, but overall we do dry out for Thursday and we'll continue to see cloudy skies on Thursday. So for today, not a lot of rain. We're looking at just under 1/4 inch, maybe to 1/4 inch of rain for today. And then for tomorrow, same thing, maybe 1/2 inch tomorrow. Overall, over these next 2 days, we are only looking at 1/2 inch to 1 inch of rain, so no flooding or anything is expected. For this morning, starting out dry with cloudy skies, mild to start. We will remain mild today with scattered showers looking to begin late morning, and that looks to continue for today, so definitely grab that umbrella. Overnight tonight, rain looks to continue, and into tomorrow, we will continue to see a few showers tomorrow with cloudy skies and highs in the low 50s. As for today, though, once again, dry to start. Rain comes in late morning, and that will continue as scattered showers with a few breaks throughout the day. And the rain looks to continue tonight as well with a very mild night ahead. We remain mild tomorrow with highs in the low 50s and some rain showers, and then we cool down a little bit and dry out on Thursday, Gary.
Keep that umbrella today.
Yes, today and tomorrow, I would say.
That's for sure. Hannah, thank you. Well, 2 recalls to tell you about this. For joining us for this half hour, I'm Gary Liberatore. A lot to get to ahead in this edition of News Channel 2 at Sunrise. First, let's get a check of your forecast. Meteorologist Hannah Evans in the Weather Center with a look at some rain that's on its way. And how soon are we talking?
So we are looking at late mornings. We will start out dry this morning with cloudy skies. It's going to be mild today. Then scattered showers look to come in late morning throughout the day. So it's not going to be kind of like an all-day thing, not really heavy, just scattered showers with a few, on and off breaks.
Yeah, and hopefully people are at the job before it starts at 9.
Yes, for sure. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Once again, dry this morning. We do look to remain dry until around 9-10 a.m. That is when some rain looks to come in from the west. But overall, it's not going to be heavy, and it is going to kind of be on and off throughout the day with scattered showers. We are also going to be very mild today, so we already are starting out in the 30s for most of us. 37 degrees in Inlet and 33 degrees in Whitesboro. High temperatures today look to reach the mid-40s. Once again, starting off dry with cloudy skies. It's going to be mild today, and we are going to be seeing scattered showers start late morning. That will continue for today and tonight and into tomorrow as a stationary front just kind of sits over us. Then it does move through tomorrow, and we dry out for Thursday. But overall, seasonably warm weather continues for this week with high temperatures remaining in the 40s and even tomorrow in the low 50s. So for today, expect mild weather. Scattered showers to start late morning, and that will continue through tonight. I will be talking a little bit more about that rain coming up, Gary.
Hannah, thank you, and don't forget the Storm Tracker 2 forecast.
Welcome back. Once again, it is going to be pretty mild today for the beginning of December. High temperatures in the North Country look to reach the low 40s. In the Mohawk Valley, low to mid 40s, and the Southern Valleys, mid 40s. So we are going to be seeing pretty mild weather today, but we are going to be seeing some rain. So this morning we will remain dry. Around 10 a.m. is when it looks like the rain will start to come in as scattered showers, and that looks to continue for the entire day and through tonight. But it's not going to be like raining all day. It is going to be kind of on and off with scattered showers and a few breaks for dry conditions. The rain also looks to continue into tomorrow before we dry out for Thursday. So looking ahead, today it is going to see scattered showers. Tomorrow is as well. A little bit warmer tomorrow, highs in the low 50s. But then once we hit Thursday, we will be seeing dry conditions, a little bit cooler, but still above average for this time of year. And we are going to be seeing a little bit extra cloud cover. Gary.
Hannah, thank you. The police chief in Tampa.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out dry and cloudy this morning. It is going to remain mild today, but we are going to be seeing some scattered showers. So let's take a look now at our CAVI tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Dry, cloudy conditions to start. It is pretty warm in comparison to yesterday. We are all in the 30s, and we will reach the mid-40s today, so we will remain seasonably warm for the day. But I would definitely just grab the jacket or the coat for today. Still a little bit chilly to start this morning, and the umbrella because we are tracking some rain. Once again, most of us in the 30s, 36 degrees in Inlet, 33 degrees in Utica and Whitesboro. And looking to the south, we have 37 degrees in Hamilton, 34 degrees in Norwich. We will reach the mid-40s today, which is above average for this time of year. And even tomorrow, we are going to be in the low 50s, very, very warm for the first week of December. Temperatures drop after a cold front moves through Wednesday, but still above average in the mid-40s for the high, and then we will drop to seeing temperatures right around average for this time of year for Friday and the weekend. So starting out dry, this is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. But there is a cold front that is kind of going to remain stationary over these next 2 days just to the west of us, along with that low pressure system. It doesn't look to move through until later tomorrow, so that brings in scattered showers today and scattered showers that look to continue for tomorrow. It looks to start around 10 a.m. today, and it's going to not be an all-day thing. It's going to be on and off scattered showers with a few breaks here and there, but otherwise pretty gloomy conditions today and tomorrow with cloudy skies, but it is going to be pretty mild for December. So today, only looking at less than a quarter inch of rain. Some areas seeing a quarter inch, a little bit over, but not any flooding is possible today. Even tomorrow, altogether, we are going to be seeing ½ inch to 1 inch of rain over 2 days. So you shouldn't really worry about any flooding or any heavy downpours at times. This morning, starting off dry, cloudy skies, temperatures in the 30s. Rain looks to start 9-10 a.m. as just a few scattered showers. It's going to be kind of on and off throughout the day with scattered showers. Highs are going to reach the mid-40s. As for tonight, the scattered showers continue overnight, and we start off Wednesday with just a few isolated showers here and there. Already starting off tomorrow, very warm. We will be in the 40s in the morning and reaching the low 50s with scattered showers once again for the high temperatures. So for today, we are going to be seeing dry conditions to start. Shouldn't have any problems commuting this morning. Scattered showers look to come in late morning. That continues for today and for tonight with very mild weather today and even remaining mild tonight. We will warm up a little bit more tomorrow with highs in the low 50s and those showers continuing before we dry out and cool down a little bit more for Thursday, Gary.
So again, bring out those umbrellas with you this morning and especially tomorrow.
Yes, so today and tomorrow we are.
Thank you for joining us. I'm Gary Libator. Also ahead, some good news for those of you who will have to fill up the gas tank this morning. We'll have all the details, but first, that rain is on the way for parts of our area. Storm Tracker 2 meteorologists over in the Weather Center tracking it all for us. And when's it all going to start?
So it looks to start late morning around 9-10 a.m. Just as scattered showers. It's not going to be like an all-day event. It's going to be on and off scattered showers with a few breaks here and there.
But you were mentioning the heavier rains tomorrow, right?
Well, it does look like this will continue into tomorrow, but it doesn't look to get too heavy at all. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Dry conditions to start, so you shouldn't have any problems commuting this morning. We are seeing cloudy skies, milder than yesterday. We're in the 30s, but rain looks to start to come in late morning, and it will continue for the day as scattered showers. Once again, in the 30s to start, so pretty warm, I would say. 33 degrees in Whitesboro and Earlville, 35 degrees in Richfield Springs and Cooperstown. Once again, starting off dry, but scattered showers come in late morning, and that looks to continue for today, tonight, and even into tomorrow as a stationary front kind of sits over us. But then the front looks to move through tomorrow. We will cool down a little bit for Thursday, but still we're going to remain seasonably warm on Thursday. The warm weather looks to continue for this week with high temperatures in the 40s and even in the low 50s tomorrow. So for today, expect highs in the mid-40s. Rain looks to start late morning as scattered showers, and I will be talking a little bit more about the rain coming up, Gary.
Hannah, thank you. Let's get right to it now.
Welcome back. We are going to be seeing scattered showers for today, and that looks to continue into tomorrow as a stationary front kind of sits over us. The front finally moves through later in the day tomorrow, and then we will dry out, become a little bit cooler for Thursday, and then even a little bit cooler for Friday as we remain dry. So this morning, still be careful for a few icy spots that are possible on sidewalks and in the roadways. We are just around freezing, a little bit over, but there still could be some ice outside for the rest rest of today, it is going to be wet because we are going to continue to see scattered showers today that will be on and off, not looking too heavy at times, but just keep in mind maybe a little bit slippery when driving or walking. So even looking ahead 6 to 10 days from now, we are going to be above average for this week. Even next week, it looks to remain above average with normal temperatures at this point are just supposed to be in the upper 30s. So that means normal or above normal temperatures look to be in the 40s, maybe in the 50s for the next week. Gary.
Hannah, thank you. Thousands of people are still in the
Central New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out dry this morning, but scattered showers look to come in late morning, and that will continue for the day. So let's take a look now at our Cavity Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Dry with cloudy skies, but we are starting out very mild, a lot warmer than we did start out yesterday. So taking a look at what our sky watchers have this morning, most of us are in the 30s, 35 degrees in Old Forge and Clinton, and 37 degrees in Inlet and New Hartford. Looking to the south, still in the 30s, 36 degrees in Cooperstown and in Hartwick. So overall, very mild to start this morning, and we will remain mild in the mid-40s today for the high temperature. Even tomorrow, low 50s, so very warm for the beginning of December. We cool down a little bit on Thursday, but still above average, and then our temperatures drop back down to just around normal for Friday and for the weekend with highs in the upper 30s. So heading out the door this morning, I would just grab the coat. It is still a little bit chilly outside, a little bit of a breeze, and definitely the umbrella because it does look like scattered showers look to come in around 9-10 a.m. That will continue for the day. They are not going to be all at once real heavy. It's looking just to be on and off, a few light to moderate rain showers, and that looks to continue into tomorrow as well. So here is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Dry conditions to start, but the scattered showers are looking to come in because this cold front is kind of going to stay stationary over us for today and tomorrow, along with that low pressure system. That will bring in scattered showers today through tomorrow, and then it looks to move through tomorrow for dry weather returning on Thursday. But overall, not a lot of rain is expected. For all of today, it's looking like we could be seeing even under a quarter of inch in some spots, around a quarter of inch of rain, maybe just a little bit over. But then for tomorrow as well, we are not going to be seeing that much rain. It looks to just be light and to moderate with scattered showers because over 2 days, we are only going to be seeing about ½ inch to an inch of rain, so no flooding should be an issue at all. We are starting out dry once again this morning, pretty mild with cloudy skies. Rain looks to come in late morning around 9-10 a.m., but it's going to be on and off scattered showers with a few breaks throughout the day, and it is going to remain pretty mild with temperatures in the mid-40s. Overnight, the rain looks to continue. We remain in the mid-40s overnight, and tomorrow a few scattered showers do look to continue. We warm up a little bit more with highs in the low 50s. So for today, expect scattered showers to come in late morning, so I'll grab the umbrella. That looks to continue for today with very mild conditions, and it looks to continue tonight as well with overnight lows just in the mid-40s. We warm up a little bit more tomorrow as a few scattered showers continue. We dry out on Thursday, cooling down a little bit more with some sun returning Friday, Gary.
Bring that umbrella today.
Yes, today and then even tomorrow, but then after tomorrow we look dry.
Dry again.
Yes.
Hannah, thanks. Well, 2 recalls to tell you about for joining us for this half hour. I'm Gary Libator. A lot to get to ahead on this edition of News Channel 2 at Sunrise. First, let's get a check of that all-important Tuesday forecast. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joining us from the Weather Center, and she is tracking some rain about to come into the area.
Yes, so we are going to be dry through most of the morning. The rain looks to come in around, 9:30, 10 a.m. It's going to just be scattered showers on and off throughout the day. Nothing really too heavy at times, which is fine.
Yeah, not too bad, as long as the morning commute is fine, and they'll get to work and the rain will start.
Yes, and it should be fine throughout the day. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. At this point, still tracking dry conditions. There is some scattered showers kind of moving towards us. This is all due to a low pressure system that looks to sit just to our west for today and tomorrow, and that will continue to bring in scattered showers through tomorrow. But we are going to be very, very mild today, already starting out above freezing in the 30s for most of us. We have 37 degrees in Inlet, Westmoreland, and Cooperstown, 36 degrees in Richfield Springs, and high temperatures today look to reach the mid-40s. So starting out dry with cloudy skies, we will start to see some rain come in, scattered showers today through tonight and for tomorrow. After tomorrow, we do dry out, but once again, not a lot of rain is expected. It's going to be off and on with breaks in between. And we also are going to remain pretty warm, even tomorrow in the low 50s and on Thursday in the mid 40s. So overall, seasonably warm weather for this week, especially for the beginning of December. So for today, expect mild conditions. We start out dry with some rain coming in late morning, and I will be talking a little bit more about this rain coming up, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Decision 2022.
Welcome back. We are going to be very mild today. In the North Country, high temperatures looking to reach the low 40s. In the Mohawk Valley, we will be in the low to mid 40s and in the mid 40s in the southern valleys. And we are going to continue to see some rain. So it does look to start late morning as scattered showers, and it looks to continue throughout today. So today it looks like we are going to be seeing on and off scattered showers throughout the day, and that looks to continue into tonight, into tomorrow as well. But late tomorrow, we look to dry out, and dry weather comes in for Thursday. So once again, scattered showers today and tomorrow. We actually are even going to be a little bit warmer tomorrow with highs in the low 50s. As for Thursday, that's when we dry out. We cool down just a little bit more, but still above average for this time of year and seeing a little bit extra cloud cover. Gary.
Hannah, thank you. The police chief in
Central New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out dry, but it does look like we are going to be seeing some scattered showers moving in late morning, and that will continue for the day. So let's take a look now at our CAVI tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Dry conditions, cloudy skies to start, but we are very, very mild in comparison to yesterday especially. So according to our sky watchers, most of us are in the mid 30s this morning. We have 35 degrees in Old Forge and Clinton and 37 degrees in New Hartford and Inlet. Looking to the south, still in the mid 30s, 36 degrees in Cooperstown and in Hartwick this morning. High temperatures today look to reach the mid 40s. That is going to be above average for this time of year. Even tomorrow, low 50s. Very rare to kind of see this in December. We remain above average on Thursday, but drop a little bit in temperature, and then our temperatures turn to just around normal for Friday and for the weekend with highs in the upper 30s. So as you are heading out the door, Nala can still clearly see her neighbor. We are just going to be seeing cloudy skies to start this morning, dry conditions, so shouldn't have any problem commuting in the morning. The evening commute, though, may be a little bit damp. We are going to be seeing scattered showers throughout the day, but it shouldn't be anything to worry about. They are going to be off and on and not looking too heavy at all in terms of rainfall. Today, Nala's neighbor is Missy, looking out the window. If you do want to be a part of this, you can head over to my Facebook page and post pictures of your cats over there. So right now, once again, still dry on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, but scattered showers do look to move in this morning, and that will continue for today and tomorrow. This is due to this low pressure system and this stationary front kind of just sitting to the west of us, and it doesn't look to move through until later tomorrow. So it is going to bring unsettled weather for today and tomorrow. But overall, rain not looking too heavy. For today, we are only looking at about 1/4 inch of rain, and even for tomorrow, out of 2 days, the whole event looks to just bring a 1/2 inch to 1 inch of rain. So overall, not really any flooding is expected, and not really any heavy rain is expected as well. So we are starting off dry, all above freezing this morning. We will reach the mid 40s today and start to see scattered showers late morning, but nothing really to worry about. Scattered showers continue throughout the day, and that will continue overnight as well. We remain very mild overnight with overnight lows in the mid 40s. As for tomorrow, we really warm up to the low 50s, and that unsettled weather looks to continue. So for today, expect dry conditions to start, a little bit breezy. Rain looks to come in late morning, and scattered showers continue for today and through tonight with lows just in the mid 40s. So we warm up a little bit more tomorrow with highs in the low 50s. Scattered showers and unsettled weather continues before we dry out, cooling down a little bit for Thursday, Gary.
So, wow, these temperatures here in December are pretty high.
Yes, so we're in the 40s and 50s. That's above normal for this time of year, so it's going to feel pretty warm.
That's for sure. Hannah, thank you. Well, new this morning, Minnesota.
From where the news comes first, this is News Channel 2 at 7 a.m. on CW11.
Good morning and thank you for joining us. I'm Gary Libator. First off, let's get right to the weather. Let's head over to the Weather Center where meteorologist Hannah Evans is joining us, and she is tracking some rain that is on the doorstep of the Mohawk Valley, right?
Yes, so we are going to start out dry this morning, but rain looks to come in late morning. It's just going to be scattered showers throughout the day, nothing really too heavy, and it's not going to be like all at once, just a few off and on scattered showers.
Yeah, nothing too bad, so bring an umbrella if you need it.
Yes, for sure. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. At this point, we are dry. Scattered showers look to be coming in quite soon, but once again, not really too bad. Shouldn't have any problems, and it's not going to be heavy. And we are going to be actually mild today. So starting out all above freezing in the 30s, we have 37 degrees in Richfield Springs, Cooperstown, and Inlet, 38 degrees in Westmoreland, with high temperatures today reaching the mid-40s. So starting out dry with scattered showers coming in this morning, and that will last into tomorrow. This is due to a stationary front kind of sitting over us. The front moves through tomorrow and will dry out for Thursday, but this week we will remain seasonably warm with high temperatures in the 40s and even the low 50s for tomorrow, so that's pretty warm for the beginning of December. So for today, expect dry conditions to start, then scattered showers come in for the rest of the day. I will be talking a little bit more about this rain coming up, Gary.
Hannah, thank you. We are learning more from
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are going to be mild today, and we are going to be seeing some scattered showers looking to come in later this morning. So let's take a look now at the Cavie Tower camera. Overlooking the Mohawk Valley, we can see now cloudy skies have taken over. We are dry to start, so there shouldn't be any problems commuting right now, but rain looks to come in. Later this morning, it's just going to be a few scattered showers throughout the day. According to our sky watchers, we are starting out very mild. All of us look above freezing. 35 degrees in Old Forge and Clinton, and 37 degrees in New Hartford and Inlet. Looking to the south, we have 36 degrees in Cooperstown and Hartwick. High temperatures today look to actually reach the mid-40s. That is going to be above normal for this time of year. And even look at tomorrow, low 50s. We will drop a little bit more on Thursday, still above average, with around normal temperatures returning for Friday and the weekend with highs in the upper 30s. So heading out the door this morning, I would grab the coat. It is still a bit chilly, a little bit breezy, maybe the rain jacket for today and the umbrella as well, because those scattered showers look to come in later this morning, pretty soon, maybe within the next hour or 2 hours, and then that looks to continue for today. But at this point, it's not going to be widespread or heavy. It's going to be on and off scattered showers, light to moderate. So here is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Once again, still dry. We can start to see those scattered showers coming in. This is due to a stalled cold front that is going to be sitting over to the west of us along with that low pressure system. It's moving very, very slow. It doesn't look to move through until later in the day tomorrow, so that brings in unsettled weather as scattered showers today, and it also brings in scattered showers for tomorrow before we dry out and cool down a little bit on Thursday. So overall, not looking too heavy. Today only looks like we could be seeing a 1/4 inch of rain, and then for tomorrow, altogether, it's going to be 1/2 inch to 1 inch over the 2 days, so flooding and really heavy rain shouldn't really be an issue. We are starting out dry, cloudy once again. Will be a little bit breezy today, highs reaching the mid-40s, and scattered showers look to come in late this morning and continue for the day. They also look to continue overnight. We remain very mild overnight with lows in the mid-40s, and tomorrow we remain a little bit unsettled with cloudy skies, so a few showers and highs reaching the low 50s. So for today, expected to be dry this morning, then the showers start late morning, and that looks to continue for the day with very mild weather, and that mild weather and showers do continue overnight. So today and tomorrow are going to be unsettled with scattered showers, a little bit warmer tomorrow as well. We dry out to cloudy skies on Thursday, and we cool down a little bit, but still remain above average.
Meteorologist Hannah Evans is in with some word of some rain falling. Hey there, Hannah.
Hi, Gary. Yes, we are tracking scattered showers for the rest of today, and they do look to continue into tomorrow. So let's take a look now at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We were seeing some heavier rain earlier on this morning, but at this point, lighter rain has come in, still tracking scattered showers. Just be careful when driving on roadways, maybe a little bit slippery and maybe seeing reduced visibility. But we are going to reach the mid-40s for the high temperature today. But right now we are measuring 37 degrees at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome and calmer wind speeds. So scattered showers continue today. They also look to continue into tonight and tomorrow before tapering off. Seasonably warm weather does look to continue this week. High temperatures will reach the 40s and even the low 50s for tomorrow. So that is pretty warm, especially for the first week of December. And then we are going to cool down for the weekend to more normal temperatures that are going to be in the upper 30s for the high. So for the rest of today, we will reach the mid 40s. We will continue to see scattered showers, on and off rain. I will be talking a little bit more about the rain the next 2 days coming up, Gary.
Hannah, thank you. Jury deliberations
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are tracking scattered rain showers for the rest of today, and it is going to reach the mid 40s. So let's take a look now at our Utica National Tower camera overlooking Main Street in Cooperstown. Overall, a gloomy day with cloudy skies, and most of us are seeing scattered showers. So I would just be careful when driving around on the roadways, maybe seeing some visibility issues, and they may be a little bit slippery. So according to our sky watchers here at noon, most of us are right around 40 degrees. Some of us already in the 40s. We had 38 degrees in Old Forge, Clinton, and Cassville, 47 degrees in Otsego. So we will warm up today to above normal temperatures once again into the mid 40s. Even tomorrow, the low 50s. So pretty warm for December. We will drop a little bit on Thursday, but still above average in the mid 40s. And then temperatures turn more normal for Friday and the weekend with highs in the upper 30s. So for the rest of this afternoon, Nala may be having a little bit trouble seeing her neighbor. We are seeing some showers causing for mixed or less visibility issues, especially when commuting. So just be careful when commuting this lunch hour. And for the commute home, scattered showers may be causing for slippery conditions on the roadways and less visibility. Nala's neighbor today is Missy. She's trying to say hi to her, but can't really see that well. So just be careful when driving on right now and then later on this evening. So on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, still tracking scattered showers. They have lightened up a little bit from this morning, but all of us are seeing some sort of green, some sort of scattered shower that looks to continue for the rest of today, even into tonight and a little bit into tomorrow. This is due to this cold front just to the west of us that is going to remain stationary over our area and doesn't look to move through until later tomorrow. So that is why today and tomorrow are going to remain a little bit unsettled with scattered showers. But once again, we do look to dry out later tomorrow into Thursday. A little bit cooler on Thursday, but then much cooler as we head into Friday and the weekend with dry conditions. So for the rest of today, expect scattered showers. We will reach the mid 40s, but just be careful when driving. Tonight, the showers look to continue overnight as well, with a low just in the mid 40s, remaining mild overnight as well. Tomorrow, we will really warm up, reaching high temperatures in the low 50s, but we will continue to see scattered showers very similar to today. So for the rest of today, expect it to be kind of gloomy, damp, scattered showers, highs in the mid 40s. And as for tonight, we remain in the mid 40s, but the rain looks to continue overnight into tomorrow. Tomorrow we warm up a little bit more with highs in the low 50s. We dry out on Thursday, we'll become a little bit cooler, and we really start to cool down to around normal temperatures for the weekend, Gary.
Hannah, thank you. New flu numbers from the meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are still tracking scattered showers for right now and for the rest of today. So overall, it's going to be a bit gloomy with temperatures reaching the mid 40s. So let's take a look now at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. All of us are seeing scattered showers at this point. It has lightened up. This morning it was a little bit heavier, but this will continue for the day and even into tomorrow a little bit. We are measuring 38 degrees at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. Calmer wind speeds, so that shouldn't be a problem for today. And once again, tracking scattered showers for today, tonight, and a little bit into tomorrow. But after tomorrow, it does clear out, and we will dry out for Thursday. This week will remain seasonably warm. We will be seeing temperatures in the 40s and even low 50s tomorrow, which is very warm for the beginning of December, and it is above average. But then we will reach temperatures just around normal coming back in for the weekend. So for today, expect scattered showers to continue. Overall, gloomy day, highs reaching the mid 40s, and I will be talking a little bit more about this rain coming up, Gary.
Hannah, thank you. And Oneida.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are going to continue to track rain for the rest of today. Overall, gloomy day with highs reaching the mid-40s. Let's take a look now at our Utica National Tower camera overlooking Main Street in Cooperstown. As you can see, it is a little bit damp down there. I would just be careful when driving. There could be areas of low visibility and some slippery spots on the road, so just be careful of that for the rest of the day. According to our sky watchers, most of us are in the upper 30s, right near 40 degrees. We have 38 degrees in Old Forge, in Clinton, and Cassville, and even 47 degrees in Otsego. So high temperatures today will reach the mid-40s. It is going to be warm on average, and it will remain seasonably warm for the rest of this week. Tomorrow we will warm up to the low 50s actually. That's very warm for December. We will drop a little bit on Thursday, still in the mid-40s though, still above average, and then temperatures turn back to just around normal for this time of year for Friday and the weekend as highs reach the upper 30s. So on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, at this point most of us are seeing scattered showers. It was a bit heavier this morning, but has since lightened up a little bit, but still we are going to continue to see a wet, damp day just due to this cold front that is just to the west of us. So this cold front is kind of going to remain stationary for today and tomorrow, and that is what is bringing in this unsettled weather. These scattered showers look to continue into tonight and tomorrow before this cold front finally moves through later in the day tomorrow, and we do dry out for Thursday. So today and tomorrow, gloomy days. We are going to be seeing scattered showers and cloudy skies, but overall, it is going to be warm on average. For Thursday, we cool down a little bit, but still above average, and we do start to dry out, and we look to remain dry for Friday and for Saturday. So for the rest of today, expect scattered showers. Just be careful when driving. Highs will reach the mid-40s, and they continue overnight with overnight lows in the mid-40s as well. So for tomorrow, scattered showers continue once again, and it is going to get a little bit warmer. Highs reaching the low 50s. So for the rest of today, expect rain. We will be continue to see rain showers, highs in the mid-40s, cloudy skies, just a little bit of a breeze. And tonight we will remain mild overnight, but the rain does look to continue. So we warm up a little bit more tomorrow with highs in the low 50s. We will continue to see scattered showers and cloudy skies. We cool down a little bit for Thursday as the cold front moves through, but we do dry out and we still remain above average for this time of year with around normal temperatures returning for Friday and the weekend. Gary.
Hannah, thank you. Now to some sad news.
Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis tracking some rain out there today, right?
Yeah, just an unsettled day, an unsettled night is expected. Watch out for patchy fog. That could be a little tricky to drive through overnight. Let's take a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Some light showers continue across a good portion of central New York. And again, just a generally wet day today. The rain will continue tonight, even though the back edge is out towards Syracuse. There's a stalled front. Let me just show you how things have been changing over the past hour. They really haven't. We'll continue to see waves of rain move into our region from the south and develop over our area as we head into tonight. Current temperature is 42 degrees. We have calm winds and again continuing to see some showers and patchy fog tonight. We're looking at mild conditions on Wednesday. Temperatures make a run towards 50 degrees as we head into Wednesday afternoon. The mild weather is sticking around. There's no sign of winter weather, no big snow, no big drops in temperature expected anytime soon. This evening, rain, patchy fog, temperatures in the low 40s. We're tracking how long the rain lasts into our Wednesday. A look at that forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. The Oneida County Democratic Party.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. An unsettled day across central New York with widespread rain. We're also seeing some patchy fog as well. Let's take a live look outside. This is our Utica National Tower Cam overlooking Cooperstown, and we are looking at widespread light rain across a good portion of central New York. The rain continues to work in from the south, and a lot of it's being caused by a stationary front that is set up across the region. So even though the back edge of the rain is not too far to the west, I think we will be stuck in the rain for a good portion of tonight as well as early tomorrow as the rain develops right over our area. Be on the lookout for patchy fog too. In fact, the fog could be pretty thick in some areas as we continue into this evening and early tonight. Again, this could make driving pretty tricky. especially areas that still have snow on the ground, areas to the north with milder temperatures. That is a recipe for really thick fog. And then again, that could be taking place here tonight too. Again, no change in the fog expected through tomorrow morning. Our rain chances continue overnight and into Wednesday. The rain becomes a lot less widespread, a lot more scattered as we head into Wednesday afternoon. A cold front will roll through, and then we do get a chance to dry out as we head into Wednesday night. Temperatures will stay very mild. We're looking at temperatures close to 50 degrees as we head into Wednesday, and then we will start to cool down. We'll be back into the 40s here as we head throughout the rest of the week. Temperatures this evening, 45 in Westmoreland, 44 in Whitesboro, even mild in the Adirondacks, Inlet 41, Big Moose 41. Across Southern Valleys, Columbus 45 degrees, and it's 51 in Cooperstown. The radar and satellite image again showing widespread light rain being developed along a cold front that will be moving to the region as we head into tomorrow. And again, we do expect some mild weather tomorrow afternoon before temperatures cool off. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast again. Scattered light rain showers continue tonight. Watch out for patchy fog through tomorrow morning. 7 a.m. cloudy skies to start out the day. A few rain showers are possible tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures will be close to 50 degrees. Drying out tomorrow night. Overnight lows will drop down into the 30s, and we'll get a chance to clear out as we head into Thursday. Tonight, rain continues. Watch out for patchy fog, a low of 42. Tomorrow, cloudy skies, mild temperatures in the low 50s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Mostly cloudy Thursday, dry on Friday and Saturday. Some snow showers are possible on Sunday, but a general absence of winter here, at least the winter weather that we're used to. Highs will climb back into the low to mid 40s by Monday and Tuesday. Jason, back over to you.
I don't have a problem with a little bit of absence of weather or winter. It will get here in plenty of time.
It's inevitable, but we will not see it anytime soon.
All right, thanks very much, Bill. Buffalo, New York, another look at the forecast. First one in this half hour. We'll get back to the Weather Center with Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
We hit a milestone today.
And what is that milestone?
The sunset is the earliest that it will be for the rest of the year. We're going to see sunsets for the next 7 days at 4:25 p.m. in Utica. There's a discrepancy between the earliest sunset versus the latest sunrise. They're not on the winter solstice. The earliest sunset happens before the latest sunrise, and it's complicated to explain, but it has to do with the equation of time and how the Earth rotates around the sun at an inconsistent speed. Bottom line is, here's how daylight changes as we look ahead. Next week, we'll actually gain an extra minute of daylight by the end of the day. And by the winter solstice, you'll see that the numbers start to increase. It's not until next month that we'll see daylight here change. And by the way, that should be 5:14. A little typo there. Now let's take a look at the extended forecast. Even though we're in the darkest time of the year, it is not the coldest, and it doesn't look to be the coldest as we look ahead. A general absence of winter weather in the northeast is expected, and that's due to the jet stream driving to the west. We're getting a lot of these western runners, these storm systems that produce rainfall instead of snowfall, and that's what we're seeing tonight. Rain will continue this evening, and it looks very mild tomorrow. Temperatures in the low 50s. We are tracking a mild week ahead. A look at that forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Construction continues at the former Mazzaferros and
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. We continue to track rain and mild temperatures across central New York here as we head into the next 2 days. So let's take a live look outside. So our Cat V Tower Cam, we've been getting rain and some fog here on Smith Hill. Just be careful if you're heading out tonight. The fog is thick in some areas, especially areas that still have some patchy snow on the ground north of the Mohawk Valley. This will continue tonight and into early tomorrow as more rain is going to linger around. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Most weather systems move from west to east. And when you look at a map like this, you'd think that the rain would clear out over the next few hours because it is in fact stopped raining in Syracuse and Rochester. But take a look at this radar image here. This is how things have been changing over the past 2 hours. A lot of this rain is being generated over a stalled front. So the rain is expected to continue tonight and tomorrow. generally falling at a light clip. The winds will not be all that strong over the next couple of days. Generally light winds in the forecast here throughout the remainder of the week. Our sky watchers are checking in the 40s. Barneveld 41 degrees, Schuyler 44, Curtis Corners 43, West Leiden with 42. Across Southern Valleys, Jim and Richfield 48. It's 50 in Cooperstown, Hartwick 49, and West Lawrence checking in with 46 degrees. Low pressure is approaching from the southwest. That's going to bring a surge of warmer temperatures into the region tonight. In fact, temperatures are going to rise overnight. We're going to climb into the upper 40s as we head into tomorrow morning. We'll have some on and off rain showers overnight. By the morning commute, in general, it's cloudy. Most of the steadier rain will be over with by that point. We will see the risk of a shower or two as we head into Wednesday afternoon. As a cold front arrives, high temperatures climb to 50 degrees with generally overcast skies. The weather remains mostly cloudy tomorrow night, and then as drier air builds in for Thursday, we'll start to clear out. 8 a.m. on Thursday morning, temperatures start out in the mid-30s. We'll see a gradual return to sunshine as we head into Thursday afternoon with temperatures in the low 40s. Rainfall accumulation going forward will pick up about another a tenth to quarter of an inch of rain. So most of the steadier, heavier rain is done, but we will add a little bit more as we look ahead. Tonight, patchy fog. Rain continues, low 42. A few showers around tomorrow. The big story, the mild temperatures, a high of 52. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Mostly cloudy Thursday, 45. 40 for Friday. Staying dry Saturday, highs in the low 40s. It does look like we could have a few snow showers around now for Sunday. Sunday's high 39. We're back into the 40s again, looking ahead to Monday and Tuesday. We'll be right back.
Forecast at 6. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
An unsettled day. Rain will be continuing tonight. Watch out for patchy fog, too. Let's take a live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Rain continues, and it's generally widespread and on the light side. And that will continue here as we head into tonight. There's a stalled front in our area, so do expect the rain to continue. Current temperature is 42 degrees. A south wind kicks in, and that means temperatures will rise tonight. Again, be on the lookout for patchy fog overnight. Mild on Wednesday. Temperatures make a run towards 50 degrees, which is quite warm for early December. And there's no sign of any significant winter weather here on the horizon. Temperatures look to stay well above average here as we head throughout the week. Rain, patchy fog this evening. Temperatures in the 40s. We're tracking when the rain comes to an end. A look at that forecast is coming out. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. The United County Democratic.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. A very unsettled day across central New York with widespread steady rainfall. Let's take a live look outside. Our CAV tower cam is overlooking the city of Utica. We've seen fog here on Smith Hill this afternoon, although at the moment things do look to be in the clear. But we're going to be keeping an eye on that tonight. If you're going to be heading out and driving across the area, you might encounter that, especially in areas that still have some snow on the ground, which is generally north of the Mohawk Valley. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're continuing to see some light rain across central New York, and this is all being driven by a stalled front. So rain will continue to generate along that. And even though it's not raining in the Syracuse area, we're going to stay unsettled here. The rain looks to continue throughout tonight across a good portion of the area. Again, watch out for some patchy fog over the next several hours. Could make things difficult to drive. The rain chances continue tonight. The rain chances will be around tomorrow as well, although tomorrow's rain looks a lot more scattered compared to widespread. This is because a cold front will be sweeping through the area. Once the front clears, which will be the afternoon time, we should get a chance to dry out. And the weather is looking much more pleasant as we head into Thursday with the return to sunshine. Very warm weather for December standards. Tomorrow we make a run towards 50 degrees. It's not record-breaking, but it is about 12 degrees above average. Thursday, Friday, Saturday will be in the low 40s and then into the upper 30s as we look ahead to Sunday. As skywatchers check in, we've got Barneveld with 41 degrees, Yorkville 44, Bob and Clinton with 43. A very mild evening across the Southern Valley. Stewart and Cooperstown is 50. Christopher and Edmonston is 41. And Helen and Cassville checks in with 44 degrees. Low pressure approaching from the south will bring more rain to central New York. The low itself will be passing just to our west. And that's why we are looking at pretty mild weather with a generally south wind taking place tonight. Temperatures rise tonight. We'll go from the low 40s to upper 40s by tomorrow morning. And that's because, again, a south wind brings in some warmer temperatures. At 8 a.m., it's not going to feel like December with temperatures close to 50 degrees. The weather will remain unsettled tomorrow with, again, some showers in the afternoon with a cold front. I think it'll be less unsettled compared to today. It's not going to rain the whole afternoon. Tonight's rain continues, some patchy fog, low 42. Tomorrow, just a few showers around, very mild with highs in the low 50s. We do get a chance to dry out on Thursday. Clouds give way to some sunshine, 45 for the high. Friday, Saturday looking nice, partly sunny, temperatures in the low 40s. Snow showers possible late Sunday. We're back into the low to mid 40s by Monday and Tuesday. Jason.
Bill, thank you. Still to come on News Channel 2 at 6. We're going to take a look at the new look Utica City FC squad. Opened its season last week, and Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. And we're talking rainfall totals. We did get a little bit of a rain today, didn't we?
Widespread soaking rain, not super heavy. Everybody came in under an inch of rainfall from the New York State Mesonet. As we look ahead, the rain is not quite done. We are tracking that on the Yorkville Battery Stern Tracker 2 Doppler radar. And just a reminder, if you're wondering what's going on here, the Weather Center has been invaded by Stuff the Bus. As you continue to donate, you are making the Weather Center less and less workable, but that's okay. We don't mind. Hopefully we get to the point where I can't even do that. Let's take a look at the radar this evening. Again, looking at pretty quiet weather. Just a few sprinkles out there and some patchy fog. Be on the lookout for that tonight. Temperature-wise, we're 46 degrees. So it is pretty mild out there, and temperatures will continue to rise overnight with a few lingering showers. Temperatures in the low 40s. We are tracking a very mild Wednesday, along with a general absence of winter weather in the extended forecast. We'll have a look at that coming up. Jason, back to you.
Thank you. Voting is now done in the final contest.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are continuing to track some scattered showers on the Yorkville Battery Stern Tracker 2 Doppler radar, and the weather will remain unsettled as we head into this evening as low pressure continues to track through our area. Be on the lookout for some patchy fog as well. The rain will continue as we head into tonight. You can see how things have been moving here over the past hour from the south. And again, that's going to bring in some fog along with more showers here tonight. Be on the lookout for fog. It's going to be sticking around through tomorrow morning, and that could impact your morning commute. Chance of rain continues tonight. It'll be around throughout the day tomorrow. A cold front sweeps in from the west, and that will bring in more showers as we head into the afternoon. And things finally get a chance to dry out. We're looking at pretty quiet weather as we head into Thursday with high pressure returning to central New York. We may get into the 50s on Wednesday. That's way above average. Our average high this time of the year is 38 degrees. We'll be almost 15 degrees above that. 45 Thursday, 40 Friday, 42 on Saturday, still above average. It's not until Sunday the temperatures get back into the 30s. Radar and satellite image tracking a wave of low pressure approaching from the west. Along with it, a cold front. Ahead of the cold front, winds are coming in from the south, and that's bringing in moisture along the jet stream, and that's been driving the rain today. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast tonight, scattered showers, some patchy fog. I think we'll be dry first thing tomorrow morning. Temperatures start out in the upper 40s, so temperatures will rise overnight. As we get into tomorrow afternoon, mild, temperatures close to 50. Temperatures don't change very much tomorrow, but we should at least hit 50 degrees. The cold front arrives in the afternoon. That will be accompanied by a few showers, and the weather will start to dry out as we get into tomorrow night. Clouds linger around. Overnight lows drop down into the 30s. Watch what happens Thursday. We'll get a return to sunshine. Winds turn into the north, drier air works in. It's cooler Thursday afternoon with temperatures in the low 40s, and we'll drop down into the 30s as we head past sunset. Tonight, rain continues, some patchy fog, low 42. We start out dry tomorrow morning, but a few showers will be arriving in the afternoon. Temperatures make it into the low 50s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Looking at temperatures in the 40s for the majority of the week. We're dry on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We should see some sunshine as we start the weekend. Some snow showers are possible Sunday. That's about all the winter we get over the next 7 days. We're back into the low to mid 40s, looking ahead to Monday and Tuesday.
So we're behind maybe on snowfall by a few inches at this point, but we're not behind really on precipitation. I mean, we've had rain, right?
And that does help. I know a lot of folks say, oh, well, if you don't have the snow, that leads to a drought. As long as you're getting rain or snow, that helps the water table. But we are going to be racking up a pretty large snow deficit. If we don't have any snow for the next 7 days, I think that's going to put us a foot behind by this time next week.
Folks up north want to see some of that snow.
Yeah.
All right, thanks, Bill. Still ahead, amid a fresh...
And maybe we won't be able to use this weather center.
First look at the forecast. Let's bring in Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis. We're talking rainfall for today. We had some pretty steady and even heavy at times rain. Not too heavy, but enough to record water, right?
Yeah, we had just about everybody get some rainfall today. These numbers from the New York State Mesonet, about 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch. So it wasn't a lot of rain, but It was region-wide, and it was a soaker. It did come down throughout the course of the entire day. As we take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, things are looking pretty quiet. And just a reminder, if you're wondering what is going on with the weather set, Stuff the Bus has taken over, and we want you to fill up this whole set as I meander onto the set. I want to be able to not be able to do this here by the end of the week, so continue to donate. We really appreciate it, and maybe we won't be able to use this weather center pretty soon. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. A few scattered showers continue across central New York. It is mild. It is quite warm out there. Temperatures have been rising throughout this evening. We're 46 degrees. We will continue to see rising temperatures overnight with cloudy skies and some scattered showers. A very mild Wednesday. I'll let you know how long the warmth will last coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. If you're just watching on NBC.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. Welcome back. We are taking a live look outside. Our CAV tower cam is looking towards the city of Utica. Some light rain is falling, so it's a little bit harder to see the city lights tonight. We will continue to track some rain overnight. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Some fog is possible as well overnight, so that could impact driving. And that fog will be hanging around through early tomorrow morning. But as we head into the mid to late morning, the fog is expected to lift across the area. Chance for rain continues overnight. I think we try out first thing tomorrow morning, but then as a cold front arrives, our chance for rain will increase, and we're looking at some scattered showers as we head into tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. The weather does dry out tomorrow night. As the cold front continues to march to the east, we'll get a chance to dry out heading into Thursday. So very mild weather tomorrow, a high of 52. That's 15 degrees above average. And we'll stay above average here for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday as high temperatures remain in the 40s. Again, our average high this time of the year is in the upper 30s. The sunset today, 4:25. The reason why I point this out is because we are now in the darkest stretch of time for the next 7 days. That'll be our sunset time. Next week, we gain a whole minute. There's a difference between the earliest sunset of the year versus the latest sunrise. They're not in sync, even though the winter solstice is the shortest day of the year. There is a difference between the sunset and the sunrise times across central New York. As we look at the radar and satellite image, we've got a wave of low pressure working in from the south. This is going to team up with the cold front to the west, and that will bring us our continued chance for rain as we head into tomorrow. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, scattered showers overnight. I think we'll be dry first thing tomorrow morning. Mostly cloudy skies, temperatures in the upper 40s. It's mild to start out the day tomorrow. Temperatures will start out in the upper 40s, will be near 50 degrees in the afternoon, and then the weather will slowly start to cool down with mostly cloudy skies throughout the day. We'll get a chance to dry out tomorrow night, and as winds turn into the north, some cooler, drier air starts to work in. We're cloudy Thursday morning at 8 a.m., but we should see some sunshine breaking out heading into Thursday afternoon, and cooler temperatures in the upper 30s. Tonight, Rain continues, some patchy fog, a low of 42. Tomorrow, a mild day. Again, some showers around, especially in the afternoon. Temperatures in the low 50s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. We get a break from winter weather this week. We're in the 40s Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Some snow showers on Sunday. And we're in the mid-40s looking ahead to Monday and Tuesday.
And I know there's a lack of snow. We talked about this before, but we've had enough rain so that we shouldn't be too behind when it comes to precipitation at this time, right?
Right, and I know a lot of folks get concerned with the lack of snowfall. As long as we're getting rain or snow, it still works its way into the water table, so we're doing fine.
But we all know folks up north would really like to see some snow so that they can have some fun.
Right, that's a different story.
We can't please everybody. All right,
Yeah.
thanks, Bill. Still ahead tonight.